Hello, Internet Academy scholars. Mrs. Olson here. It is week 14 in second semester. Did you go to the ALE app, view your April MPR report, and then click the box? You want to do that if you haven't done that already. There are 7 weeks left in the semester. For many of you, this is exciting. You have been working consistently and are on your way to earning good grades and credit towards graduation. For some of you, this is a bit stressful because time to pass is decreasing, but you can do it. Contact your teachers through the Canvas inbox and ask if they will help you design a plan to catch up. All right, the quote for this week is from the Disney movie Hercules. Hercules said, "I will find my way. I will go the distance." All right, everyone, have a great week. Bye.